everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com. Happy Friday, everybody. For those of you that are new to my channel, on Fridays I either have a tip, a technique, or a trick to share with you. Now, for those of you that may be new to Stampin' Up actually came out with a new paper cutter, paper trimmer. So this was our old paper trimmer, and our old paper trimmer only had the imperial measurements on it. And so when the new trimmer came out, I was super excited to get the new trimmer. However, the new trimmer comes with the imperial on the bottom, and it comes with the metric on the top. So I found that every time I was trying to make something, I kept going to that top number for the measurements, and so my projects were always coming out wrong. So I found that by adding a piece of washi tape along the top, that allows me to make sure I focus my attention on the bottom numbers as opposed to the top. So, and you can use any washi tape you have. I used a retired washi tape, and yeah, I just ran it across the top. And I also did it for the extension of the arm, because I wanted it to also go, you know, because we use the arm piece as well. So I did the top running all the way down just with some washi tape. That way I know when I do my measurements, I'm going to look at these bottom numbers and I'm always going to be correct. But for those of you that use both imperial and metric, I would suggest not covering this. But for me, because I only use imperial, this was way easier. Now, I'm from South Africa, and in South Africa, we use the metric system. So we use things like meters and grams. We also use liters. But here in America, it's the imperial system, which I had to basically relearn, you guys, because you know, I know we were taught that in school, but, you know, I couldn't remember. So, yeah, and in the imperial system, they use inches and feet. And so, yeah, it was just super challenging, but I figured it out, and anybody can figure it out. Let me know what you think about today's tip using the washi tape. I hope you are going to try it and find it helpful in your craft space. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you all have a wonderful and safe weekend, and I hope to see you back here on Monday. We'll see you then. Take care.